Hey Sketchmaster family, and welcome to another episode of Sketchmaster. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications so you never miss a video. Quick recap, we're still continuing our Tiny Toons Adventures series. For video number 1 we did Buster, video number 2 was Babs, video number 3 was Plucky, video number 4 was Furball, video number 5 was Sweetie, video number 6 was Dizzy, video number 7 Beeper, video number 8 Calamity, video number 9 Concord, video number 10 Go-Go, video number 11 Booker with a K, video number 12 Hampton, and this is video number 13. Today we're going to be drawing Sneezer. And without further ado, let's get started. So Sneezer is basically a little mouse with a diaper on. We're going to go ahead and actually start with the line. Give him a pretty big head here. Just like that. Okay, there's a little hair. Actually comes out like that. And just like some of the other characters, they are basically all eyes. So his eyes is going to take up a good portion of the drawing. So right here we have the beginning of the nose, and we're going to go start edging upward, just right there. And this is actually like a patch, if you will. And his actual eye is on the inside of this. He's got kind of a curve up on the eye that looks like he's pouting, like kind of like a sad puppy face. Almost like a begging state. Go ahead and color in the nose here. And then the rest of his nose actually comes down just like that. Cuts in right about there. Comes out. Got some nice little teeth. Mouth. He actually kind of looks like Fievel. If you've ever seen the movie Fievel, Goes West and the Go West Young Man, whatever other adventure series they have on that, but it kind of looks very similar to the little mouse on there named Fievel. And then he's got his shoulders kind of shrugged here. So what we'll do is actually bring this up. This is going to be his diaper. Just like that. Bring this down. And this is his shoulder here. This is his arm. Looks like it's actually going behind the diaper, even though it kind of looks like it may be going in the diaper. Okay, bring this down and over, back up. It's a little folded, just like that. And right here is where we have the safety pin sticking out. Just like that. And erase the line going the opposite way here. And then right there is where it actually pins. And you can fold this down. That way you've got it pretty even. Just like that. And then right here is where his little leg will be. And it kind of curves out. And then his foot just kind of barely comes out underneath his diaper. Like I said, he's basically all eyes. His eyes are really big. And his feet come in just like that. He's kind of not really crossing them per se, but kind of a weird stance. Kind of the sweet, innocent stance. Okay, and then here we'll draw the ear coming up and quickly down. Make sure that this one over here is slightly lower. If you want, you can kind of make an arc line like that. And it should stop right about, actually arc it that way, right about there. Okay, and then we do the little inside of the ear, just like so. Go ahead and erase your stray lines and guideline here. And there you have it. That is Sneezer. What we're going to go ahead and do now is go through and darken in the outside lines. Again, that shoulder, make sure that just comes straight up. When you darken in the mouth and the eyes, and even the nose, kind of gives depth toward to the drawing itself. So it kind of gives it a look as if he's kind of popping off the paper. It helps to bring the character to life. Okay, just like that. And fun fact, the reason they call him Sneezer is, well, kind of obvious. Even though he's a little guy, when he sneezes, it's a very big sneeze. And usually, if you've seen the cartoon, it'll throw him backwards. Alright, there you have it. That is Sneezer. Go ahead and hold it up here for you guys to see. Right about there. Yeah. And again, if you haven't already, make sure you do like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications so you never miss a video. And if you haven't already, feel free to check me out on Facebook under Sketchmaster Inner Circle. For a one-time fee of $2, you can actually request personal things for me to draw, again, as long as it's appropriate. And you can actually make requests and recommendations for future video tutorials here on YouTube. That's going to do it for this video. This was video number 13, where we draw Sneezer. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video, video number 14, where we're going to be drawing Montana Max. That's going to be it for this one. Thanks, guys. God bless.